there's a thing we do as humans where, by and large, we do what's asked of us. Certainly, that's not always true, and nor should it be. But you've all had students who didn't do the things you've asked. But students generally tend to do exactly what we ask. We do it too when we put ourselves in that role. So, with that in mind, here's a question I want you to answer honestly, and to make sure you answer honestly, answer it only to yourself. In the online discussion boards that you've participated in as a student, even if the only one is the one you did for this class, did you read the responses students made to your post? When I was a college student, and I'm speaking about this topic with several students and instructors, the answer for me and for those folks was commonly no. The thing is, we do what we're asked, often no more and no less. So, when the instructions for the discussion board say, make your initial post and respond to 2 of your classmates, that's what we do. We respond to exactly 2 classmates, and we don't often even read the responses our peers make to us. That's not part of the assignment as instructed. Participating in discussion boards set up that way can feel perfunctory, and students often don't feel like they're actually conversing with each other. And if students aren't learning from each other, then what is it that makes the assignment a discussion? Why not just have them write a journal entry? The biggest obstacle to online discussions isn't that students don't want to participate. It's that the standard structure around them doesn't actually encourage them to do so. In your online discussions, think about what you can do to allow and encourage students to learn from and with each other. Structure your discussion boards in a way that gives students both the opportunity and desire to collaborate, to learn from each other's lives, and to have different answers. If your discussion prompt results in each student giving the same answer, then what's to discuss? Make the prompt draw on the students' own lives and experiences so they can learn from each other's stories, and you'll find that students do want to participate so long as the structure allows them to do so.